Press and hold the power button on the X10 Phantom for 3 seconds to turn it on. After powering on, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth, find the X10 Phantom in the available list, and tap to pair. After successful pairing, incoming calls will be answered automatically if no operation is performed within 8 seconds. Press the power button within 5 seconds to answer the call manually. Click the power button again to hang up the phone. Press and hold the power button to hang up the call. Double press the power button to redial the last number, automatically calling the last dialed number.
EJEAS, ride the wind and chase the dream with safety as the guard.